So I preheated my grill to 450 degrees. And now all you do is put them directly on the grill. They have enough fat on them to not need any oil. And now you just grill them for about 4 minutes on each side. So while I was getting everything else ready in the kitchen, I placed this in a foil tray in the refrigerator. I like grilling kofta when it's cold. I feel like that's the best way for the meat to hold together, and it grills really nicely and it comes out nice and juicy. Kofta goes really well with onions and sumac. And all you do is just put a sprinkle of sumac on your onions. I love using red onions. I like also putting a sprinkle of parsley. Colors look really well together. That's my side, that and tahini sauce. Tahini sauce is basically, you just take some tahini paste and you break it with some fresh lemon juice and salt and a little bit of water, and mixing it with a fork until it comes to the consistency that you like. And so yeah, that's it. Here's my sumac, it's ready, and the tahini sauce. I want to show you how easy this lifts, just because I left it alone. I don't mess with it. See how this one's not lifting, it's not ready to be rolled. This one is. That's not ready. I try not to force it to be rolled on the grill. Those beautiful grill marks.